Welcome, everyone. Today we are exploring one of the deepest questions in modern science. Is time something that exists separately in the universe, or is time something created by the universe itself? For centuries, humans imagined time as a universal background, a clock that moves the same everywhere. But modern physics has shown us that time is connected to the universe itself. The universe time depends on mass energy, curves spacetime, changes the geometry of space, changes the rate of time. Near a massive object like a black hole, gravity creates extreme spacetime curvature. Time passes slower compared with a region far away from the gravitational field. This is called gravitational time dilation. In space, astronauts moving at very high speeds experience relativistic time dilation because velocity changes the relationship between space and time. On Earth, a clock closer to the surface runs slightly slower than a clock higher in orbit because Earth's mass curves spacetime. This means the universe does not have one universal clock. Time is relative to the observer's motion and the curvature of spacetime created by mass energy. Understanding relativistic time dilation helps humanity think about living among the stars because it changes how we understand interstellar travel, spacecraft design, and the limits of the universe. Interstellar travel becomes physically possible in theory. The nearest stars are many light years away. At normal spacecraft speeds, a journey would take thousands of years. But if a spacecraft could, time dilation means in a much shorter traveled on Earth. Designing future spacecraft. Understanding space-time helps engineers study propulsion systems, spacecraft energy requirements, radiation protection, long-duration human survival. Future concepts like fusion propulsion must consider how velocity affects time and energy. Human civilization beyond Earth. If humanity becomes a multi-planet or interstellar civilization, understanding relativity helps us plan. Communication between planets, navigation across star systems, time differences between Earth and long-distance missions. A new way of understanding life in the universe. Relativity shows that the universe does not have one single universal timeline. Different civilizations traveling through space because of their motion and gravitational environment. A future civilization among the stars would need to understand. Energy controls motion. Motion changes space-time relationships. Space-time determines how civilizations experience time. Relativity is not only about clocks. It is a foundation for understanding how humanity may travel, communicate, and exist across the universe. Relativity is a foundation for humanity's future among the stars because it explains how space, time, energy, and motion are connected, allowing scientists to design future spacecraft, calculate interstellar journeys, commute how humans may experience life in different regions of the universe,